Increasingly, companies are facing the challenge of responding to large-scale patent assertions. Cipher is providing a solution. Historically, periods of recession have been followed by a peak in litigation. As operating companies and NPEs feel the squeeze, they actively look to monetize their IP more aggressively. So the time to prepare a strategy on how to respond is now. Cipher's machine learning algorithm offers a novel strategy to negotiate large patent assertions. The challenge we are faced with in these situations is how to respond efficiently to the asserter with limited time and resource. Our approach tries to rationalize the conversation in order to lead to a better licensing deal and avoid costly litigations. Cipher does this by being able to quickly sort patents based on their relevance to a company's core technologies. In this example, we look at the publicly available patents from intellectual ventures and see how a company operating in the fintech space could respond to an assertion. The first step in the process is to run the customer's portfolio of classifiers over the intellectual ventures patents. This provides the most relevant assets and is the lens through which a company's internal taxonomy can be projected onto foreign assets. Secondly, we run the clustering algorithm, which looks for similarities between the two portfolios to return what we call adjacent technologies. Finally, we can run the asserter's patents through our AST taxonomy, which has broad product-based buckets to find patents that are of tertiary importance as a final layer of relevance. This ultimately leads to a much more manageable breakdown of an asserter's portfolio. With our fintech example, only 8% of intellectual ventures portfolio is directly relevant to our anonymized company. The secondary and tertiary layers of relevance are definitely of interest and would be beneficial to license. But the key takeaway here is 64% of the portfolio is not relevant. This can drastically inform the conversation around how to negotiate a license for a company's portfolio. Cipher provides this analysis on a complimentary basis to our subscribers. The analysis can be provided through interactive dashboards on our platform or presentations and spreadsheet. The key here is the process is twofold: a pragmatic application of machine learning in Cipher's classifiers, but also preparedness, working with us to have a portfolio of classifiers in place ahead of time if an assertion arises, ready to respond.